There was no forward movement at the 20th round of India-China military talks towards resolution of the standoff at the remaining friction points along the line of actual control. Israeli ambassador to India has stated that so many Indians volunteered to assist Israel that they could almost form another unit of the Israel Defense Force. The first plane carrying US armaments has landed in Nevatim Air Base in southern Israel. Australia's Chief of Joint Operations has said that the armed forces of India and Australia have reached a stage of tactical interoperability. Prime Minister Modi and Russian President Vladimir Putin will hold India-Russia bilateral summit before the end of this year. Nepal is selling off its 6 Chinese aircraft at 220 million rupees, as they are plagued with repeated breakdowns, which was bought in 2018 at 6.66 billion rupees in grants and loans. The Defence Acquisition Council meeting will be held today, and it has several proposals lined up from the Indian Navy and the Air Force worth over 1.6 lakh crore rupees. That includes a repeat order of Vikrant-class aircraft carrier, 97 additional Tejas Mk2 fighter jets, C-295-based maritime patrol aircraft, and major upgrade of 84 Su-30 fighter jets into Super Sukhoi standard. The former chief of the Indian Air Force has said that the Tejas Mk2 procurement could potentially expand to a fleet of 200 units, but it is crucial for Hindustan Aeronautics to have the capacity to deliver at least 24 Tejas Mk2 fighter jets annually when production begins in 2028 and onwards, as it is intended to replace a large number of mid-tier fighter jets like Jaguar MiG-29 and Mirage 2000. The Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, General Bronner, has said that the Philippine Army is all set to order Brahmos supersonic cruise missile system from India, and the Army's procurement will be larger than the order by Philippines Marine Corps for 3 Brahmos regiments worth $375 million. He also said that once the acquisition proposal is funded, the Philippine Army will carry out coastal defense missions in conjunction with the Philippine Marine Corps. Bengaluru-based Scandron Private Limited has unveiled its Cargo Max 500 HE and Cargo Max 2000 Q logistics drone at the first ever Defense Expo in Guwahati. These drones are currently in the testing phase with the Indian Army, and the company is working with the Army on various permutations and combinations of load, altitude and wind, as they are envisaged to carry heavy vital components such as medical equipment to the camps which are not accessible by road. Chennai-based Hawking Defence has unveiled its Balidan series Kamikaze tactical drone, which is a foldable ultralight drone ideal for indoor strikes in counter-terror operations. It weighs less than 700 grams, a speed of 120 km per hour, and an endurance of 15 minutes. It is capable of carrying shaped explosives up to 30 grams, which is ideal for tactical strikes including taking out walls and doors. The Italian firm WOS has once again made a compelling pitch for the sale of 100 Black Shark Advanced Long-Range Multipurpose Heavyweight Torpedo to India. The Black Shark next-generation fully stealthy torpedo is designed to be equipped on the Indian Navy's Calvary-class submarines, as it have already been incorporated into the submarine's tactical integrated combat system. France has also offered its F-21 torpedoes, and 20 units will be delivered on emergency basis if the contract is finalized soon. The German offer of Sea-Hawk torpedoes is not finding much support from the Indian Navy, as it failed to meet Indian Navy's operational requirements in previous trials. Today's top 3 comments.